We attempted in about 4 hours, so give us some slack. We made these guns. This one was out of the blue. We didn't really know what we were going to do with it, so we tried to make it look a little futuristic, add some cool blue lights to the inside. We got 9 volt in here, and then we got...
That was the hardest part, getting that 9 volt in.
It was. And then it's got some blue splatters on it to make it look like you've been shooting aliens, maybe in Halo or something. And then we also printed this bullet. Look at that.
Whoa!
3D printed Nerf bullets. Do not recommend that. And he's going to show off his gun. It's from Splatoon.
Yep, Splatoon.
So it's a paint gun, supposedly.
Yep. We basically 3D printed the canister, the holding mechanism that slides on. We also have this 3D printed that is too, and then we added a wire that we painted. And then we're adding the final bit.
That's printing right now, yeah. We are running out of time though, so we're trying to finish all this outro stuff.
Yeah.
Last try. This guy's name is Malaky. He does gaming videos and he also does vlogs, but he's in my grade, so we wanted to come over and try to do 3D printed guns as you saw. So you should definitely go subscribe to his channel, check out his videos. I'll put some links in the description below. And you got anything you want to say?
My gaming stuff is mainly comedy, and then my second channel is MoreMalaky. My main one is MalakyPlaysGames. Dang. Printer nothing.